just thought I'd do a quick video. It's our Volvo EC55c. It's 5.7 ton excavator. Just thought I'd do a quick show round before we start work in the morning. So that's a 5 foot grader on the grader bucket on there in a minute. So a 6 foot blade, dozer blade on the front. So you go around this side, some rubber tracks. Obviously not that big a machine, so no need for steel tracks on it. There's the undercarriage. Say the front here, that's just the old grease gun. Just do the greasing before we start. Cut off switch there. Doing any welding or whatever on the machine, you can just isolate it, turn that switch there. So you've got your front hatch here, which houses your air conditioning radiator. There, you've got your fuel sight gauge there, if you need it, washer, the windscreen washer bottle there, batteries in there. And then this is just your hose for fuel. Instead of getting up on the top with a big can trying to pour it in, just pull this hose out over here, down, put it into a can on the floor, to your drum on the floor, and then you just flick up the switch there, turns the pump on. It's just got its own pump down and round the corner there, just pumps the fuel in. Just saves you trying to hold a drum up on the top and pouring it in. So that's inside there. Inside that front hatch. So you can see the plate there anyway. EC55c. This machine's it's a 2011. So I'll show you under the engine in it. It's a 4-cylinder 16 valve Volvo. Actually made by Volvo. It says Volvo on it, but it's actually Yanmar, made by Yanmar in Japan on there, which you find most engines are actually Yanmar engines in a lot of the machines these days. They use the Yanmar engines. It's a 48, this is a 48 horsepower engine, 3.1 litre diesel. So you've got your radiator there, expansion bottle there, rad, bit of cap on the top. See the radiator there, air conditioning, compressor there, fuel filter, diesel, oil filter, dipsticks there, filler caps on the top. See that there anyway, 16 valve, here's Volvo. Exhaust there, just goes, exits up through the hood when it's shut. Air cleaner, sucks through there, stops any big bits going through. Then you've got your two air filter elements inside there. That's the engine anyway. Just show you in the cab quickly anyway. Over here. See the seat moves forward and back with the joysticks, all one unit, slides forward and backwards. So you just got your two travel pedals there, 2 footrests. Just switches along the bank switches there, heater controls, air conditioning. Radio's up the top there. So air vents, bits and pieces. This side you just got your joystick. Down there's your engine revs. Obviously on that lever there. That joystick there. Just got the ignition on. That just moves the boom down the bottom there, left and right. Lock it with that, using that, but 500 hours on it from new. It's got an hour meter, just normal analog meter there, digital one, the screen there. Dozer blade.